All right. So in this video, I'm going to explain how to price your services and more specifically, your services as a lawn care or landscaping company. Now, do you find yourself constantly questioning whether you're charging too much or too little for your lawn care or landscaping services? Are you struggling to find that sweet spot where your prices reflect the quality of your work, but still attract clients consistently? Because we all know we want to get the biggest bang for our buck and make good money, but we also have to know how to price properly to stay competitive in your local market. So you're not scaring away all of the potential customers. So we got to find this sweet spot. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. And at the end of this training, I'll even share with you a pricing calculator you can use in your business to get a decent idea for where your prices should be. So coming over here, I just wanted to show you kind of what this calculator looks like. So you would input these numbers accordingly, marked in the yellow, based off of your business and the specific project. And then through those numbers putting in, it will give you the market price, ranging from low to high to medium. And then coming over here, we have this same kind of setup, but for lawn care services. So you input these numbers and questions into the yellow and also these, and then it will give you a rough estimate on what you should be bidding and pricing for that service. Now, all you need to do to get access to this entire document and the pricing calculator is join my group at Lawn Legacy on Facebook. Go through the link in the bio and join the group. But anyways, enough about that. Now, if you recognize any of these pricing issues or any of these issues in general in your business that I'm about to explain, don't worry, and you're not alone. Many business owners in the lawn care landscaping industry face these challenges. So one, you have inconsistent revenue. 1 month you're up, the next month you're down. Pricing uncertainty leads to unpredictable income. 2, you're underpricing your work. You might be winning clients, but are you profiting enough to grow your business? Charging too little can lead to burnout and financial stress. Now, a lot of times, you'll send these big quotes out and get a big upfront payment for a landscaping project, or you're making all this revenue on a monthly basis for your lawn care services. But at the end of the day, when it really comes down to the money that's going into your personal account, you're not really making that much. A large factor of that has to do with underpricing your services and you not actually knowing your numbers to accordingly price. On the flip side, we have overpricing your services. Charging too much without the right justification can scare off potential customers, leaving you with fewer jobs than you need. We all want to be the premium service in our area that is able to get people at the highest bids because it allows you to make more money. But you also have to keep in mind that you have to remain competitive to your local market in order to justify your higher prices. So it can't be too little or too much over the medium in your area. When your pricing is confusing and uncertain, it can lead to lower client satisfaction because when your pricing isn't clear or consistent, potential customers may hesitate, unsure if they're getting the value for their money. Now, you probably face all these issues or one or a few, but there is a solution to this. Imagine having a clear, confident pricing structure that not only covers your costs, but also ensures a solid profit margin. By mastering a price strategy tailored specifically for the lawn care and landscaping industry, you can 1, determine your true cost. Understanding your expenses, including labor, materials, and overhead is the first step on setting your profitable prices. So most people, when they go to run their numbers, they're just thinking of the variable cost or the costs that are included in the service delivery, but they're not even considering their fixed overhead, which is things that no matter if you're making money or you're not making money, those costs are always going to be there. And you got to be able to break those costs down, those fixed costs by the cent day to day. So you've got to be able to determine how much, regardless of what you're bringing in or not bringing in, how much your business is owing and paying on a daily basis when you spread those payments out. So like I said above, then we have market-based pricing. Learn how to research and set prices that are competitive in your local market while reflecting the value of your offer. So you want to be premium, but you still have to consider the pricing going on in your local market. And there's also things like tiered pricing models that can certainly help give more clarity to the client and allow you to have consistent quoting. So tiered pricing models are basically offering different service packages to appeal to a broader range of clients, from budget conscientious homeowners to those seeking a premium service. Then we have seasonal adjustments. Obviously, this industry is very seasonal, so you have to adapt your pricing to account for seasonal demands, ensuring you stay profitable year round. Now that you know what you need to do to create this solution and this outcome for your business, here's how to do it. First, let's look at how to price lawn care services. So number 1, calculate your costs. So we have your direct cost, including everything tied to the service, like labor, materials, and equipment maintenance. Calculate the hourly cost of labor, factoring in wages, taxes, and insurance, and do the same for materials and tools. And then we have your overhead costs. Consider indirect costs such as office expenses, marketing, transportation, and insurance, and spread these costs across all your jobs to understand the overhead on each. So like I was saying above, these are costs that are going to be associated with your services, but you also have to consider what you're paying on your fixed overhead and spread that out across a daily time frame. Even though you might not be physically seeing the costs in your fixed expenses on a daily basis, they're there and they're going to eat away at your profit if you don't consider them when quoting and not just doing direct costs. So then there's two. Determine your desired profit margin. Decide on the percentage of profit you want to make above your costs. This margin will vary depending on your business goals and market conditions, but typically a margin of 20 to 30% is common in the lawn care industry. Then we have market research, which is super crucial, and you have to research what your competitors are charging for similar services in your area. This will give you a range within which your prices should fall, ensuring you're competitive without undercutting yourself and making little profits. Then we have tiered pricing packages. This is a good idea if you want to broaden the kind of people you go after while still remaining profitable. A lot of times people want to just cut off all the lower cost jobs and just go after premium work. But if you calculate your numbers right, you can be profitable on both a commoditized service and a premium service. So develop service packages at different price points to appeal to various customer segments. For example, a basic package could include mowing and trimming, while a premium package might add fertilization, aeration, and seasonal cleanups, surface cleaning, etc. And you have to adjust seasonally. Adjust your pricing based on demand throughout the year. During peak season, you can charge a premium while offering discounts during slower months to keep the business steady. This is the supply and demand cycle. If you live in a very seasonal area with harsh winters, then you may want to consider scheduling holiday services or any landscaping jobs you can, considering the weather and soil conditions. So a lot of good things you can do to maintain cash flow in a very harsh environment area, like say Northern Pennsylvania, for example, is you can transition your services into snow plowing, salt laying, ice removing, even like commercial surface cleaning and stuff, and Christmas lights to make up for the lack of lawn care and landscaping services during that season. I hear a lot of people who like to just stop everything during the cold season. But if you're here trying to build a true company, there is no business in existence that just pauses operations. There's no true business that wants to grow and be a real business that just pauses operations when the weather doesn't permit them to do a certain service. So we have 6, just like the pricing calculator that we provide. To streamline the process, you can use a pricing calculator that incorporates your cost, desired profit margin, and market rates to give you a recommended price for each service. This tool can save time and ensure consistency. You might include acre size, terrain, elevation, and fence openings to see if you can use a riding mower or if you'll be stuck behind a push mower. By following these steps, you'll create a pricing model that ensures you cover your costs, remain competitive, and achieve your desired profit margins. I'm going to show you how to use this pricing calculator so you can easily quote your lawn care services without underpricing yourself while also remaining competitive in your area. What we want to do is we want to come up here. And so let's just say the acre size is 0.3. So we'll just say, yes, it's flat. We'll say it has, so it's asking, does the property have a fence that fits a riding mower? So yes, the terrain difficulty, let's just say it's flat, or you can mark this up as much as you want. So we'll just do slightly uneven. So we'll say the travel time to this property would be 13 minutes. So let's just do that. Labor costs per hour. So let's say you just have one, so that's 27. So, and then we'll have the total workers needed. We'll do, let's just say that's 2. Let's just say gas cost per hour. Let's just say $6. Desired profit margin. So typically with this, you want to just do it at 100% because the cash will always be low, but residential mowing has good profit in it. So we'll just do 100%. So we'll see right here, 0.3 acres. So you get some good pricing out of that. So you got 50, 54, 59. So you know the kind of the price range you can bid that for without losing that job and that you're still making good profit on that service. So now we'll do the same process, but I'm going to break it down using a landscaping service example. So in this, we just covered lawn care, but now we'll do landscaping. And obviously, hopefully most of you are doing the best of both worlds by doing maintenance services while upselling on landscaping services. So 1, and just at the top, calculate your cost. Direct costs. For landscaping, this includes not only labor and materials, but also specialized equipment rentals, subcontractor fees, if applicable, and design work. Landscaping projects often require more detailed planning and higher cost materials like plants and hardscaping elements, like stones, pavers, rocks, for example, and custom installations. Then you got to also calculate your overhead costs. Since landscaping projects can be more extensive and longer in duration, it's crucial to factor in additional overheads like equipment rentals, site visits, and extended resources. So fundamentally, pricing and calculating things for a lawn care service versus a landscaping service is going to be fundamentally different. So that's kind of why I'm breaking it down separately. Now, just like lawn care, determine your desired profit margin. Landscaping projects often allow for higher profit margins than lawn care due to their complexity and higher value perceived by the client. A profit margin of 25 to 40% is typical, though this can vary depending on the project scale and the client's budget. So this is where tiered pricing could even come into play, even with landscaping, because you can differentiate the scope of work for each market segment, but also be able to maintain good profit margins for both services. So number 3, you got to do your market research. Research competitors who offer similar landscaping services. Since landscaping projects are often custom, considering the average price range for the types of services you provide, for example, garden design, patio installation, water features, and things like that. You got to make sure to pay attention to how competitors price complex or unique projects. Then you have custom quotes for larger projects. Unlike lawn care, many landscaping jobs require custom quotes due to their unique nature. After an initial consultation and site visit, provide a detailed proposal that outlines all costs, including labor, materials, design work, and contingencies for unexpected challenges. So it's always good to include that contingencies part because, like I always say, no plan survives contact with the enemy. And it's probably most certainly true in a landscaping service. So you got to make sure to add that buffer, that wiggle room to your quote in case anything was to fall short or something was to go wrong. So just like lawn care, you have to adjust seasonally because demand and supply and demand is going to fluctuate throughout the year. So you got to be able to factor that in slower and higher volume seasons. Adjust your prices based on the season. Landscaping often has peak times, especially in spring and summer when demand for outdoor project is highest. Premium pricing during these times is very common. While offering discounts or bundled services during the off season can help sustain your business in the slow season. And that includes lowering your desired amount per project to keep the business afloat. So then just like I showed you, we have both lawn care and landscaping calculators. So using a detailed pricing calculator for landscaping, a more complex pricing calculator that accounts for variable factors like design time, material costs, and project length is beneficial. This tool can help you ensure your pricing is accurate and reflective of the project scope. By incorporating these adjustments, the pricing model becomes well suited for landscaping services, ensuring that all unique aspects of these projects are accounted for, leading to fair pricing that reflects the value and complexity of the work involved. So we have increased profitability. A well-calculated pricing strategy means every job contributes more to your bottom line. Client trust and satisfaction. Trust leading to repeat business and referrals. Reduce stress. With a solid pricing structure, you'll feel more confident in your business decisions, knowing you're always charging the right amount. Competitive edge. Stand out in your market by offering value-based pricing that clients understand and that will appreciate. So like I said at the beginning, we did build our pricing calculator and you can get access if you join our Facebook group. This will help you determine the right price for any job very quickly. I'm at the shop and I just wanted to do a full walkthrough of this pricing calculator. It's not set in stone entirely, although it's already pretty effective. We're still getting some feedback from some business owners, but let me just walk you through how to do it. So you're just going to go and fill out the yellow spaces. So I'm going to start with doing the hourly rate. So this is the hourly rate of each employee. So let's say all your employees are making $27 an hour. So they're making $27 an hour. Say the expected total time on the job site will be about, let's just do 18 hours. So the labor cost, let's say, so we're going to do the math really quick. So say you have 3 employees. So 3 times 27 equals 81 times 18 equals 1,456. So we'll do 1,458. And then we'll input that. We'll do material costs. Let's say the material costs are about $4,000 flat. So equipment costs. So let's say you had to rent a skid steer for a week or a bobcat. So let's just say that's around $1,900. So we'll do that. So this is going to be your fixed overhead. So any full-time employees like salary, maybe your office person and your software. So let's just say that amounts to about 80K a year. Overhead allocation. Those are other fixed costs. So let's just say that amounts to about, let's just do 15. So we'll do that. So we'll say our desired profit margin is about 40%. So we'll do 40%. And then I didn't do any of the competition research, so we'll keep that out. So it says that the total job cost comes out to $22,356. And then you have the market rate. So you have everything from low to middle to high. So this would be like what the cheaper person in your area would charge, would be about $29,065. And then this is about what you would expect on average in your area to be. So they would be 31,000. And then most of the higher end people are doing 33,000, maybe a little bit more, maybe a little bit less, but you get the point. So like, this is a very simple way. You just got to know these numbers to a T and you input them and bam, you have a quote. You want to be the premium guy right there. So I have to ask, are you ready to take your lawn care and landscaping business to the next level? If you're serious about mastering your pricing strategy and want access to the exclusive pricing calculator service package templates, and market research guides, join my free Facebook group. It's right here at Lawn Legacy on Facebook. It's packed with value, resources designed to help your lawn care landscaping business thrive. So the link will be below in this YouTube video, or you can just search it up. You can search Lawn Legacy on Facebook and it should pop up. And one quick thing, if you're wondering why I'm doing all of this, all this free value for the lawn care landscaping industry, is one, I do like the industry a lot and I'm trying to help. I'm trying to provide as much value as possible and be the biggest person in the free value space for the lawn care landscaping industry. And on top of that, I do have a company called Restless Systems. In our business, we work exclusively with lawn care and landscaping companies to build out automated systems and do digital marketing. Our main goal working with lawn care landscaping businesses is to automate and systemize their business so that they can quickly outsource the day-to-day of their operation and build the desired business they started on this journey to creating. So anyways, thank you for watching this. I hope it brings a lot of value to your business. And if you want to get even more value weekly, just join our Facebook group and enjoy.